Every now and again, friends of the show let us pop into their creative studio for a personal glimpse of what's happening in their project corners. Well, today, what must be a sign of good luck, we're seeing rainbows.
Hi everyone, it's Sarah Freeman from Apricot Polka Dot. Welcome to my craft room. I'm always looking for fun new crafts and especially ways to use up leftover yarn and things that I already have at home. And lately my project of choice has been yarn art. And I've been using some of my leftover yarn to create fun little pictures just with things I already have. And it's really simple. All you really need is a canvas, and that can be either a plain white canvas from a craft store, a block of wood, or like a wood cutout. All of those things will make a great canvas for your yarn art. Once you have that, you can draw on a little template with a pencil just so you know where you want your yarn to go. And then you can start just using a tacky glue and gluing your yarn onto your template. And then you can add embellishments or whatever else you would like just to make it fun and make it your own. And they are a fun craft for kids, and they're a fun little addition to your home, a fun way to add some texture and some color and to use up your stash. So hopefully you will enjoy making this project too. Thanks.
I feel like I've said the word happy at least 17 times, maybe 18 on the show today, but that project fits in that same happy category as well, a bright pop to put in any corner of your home. Sarah, really fun use of those leftovers too. Thank you so much.